Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is JYOTI ROLLA. You are watching my festival series. So in this is the second episode. The first one you have seen me doing something a little bit pink, but today we are going towards the brown, which is like super neutral makeup look. So in this makeup look there is no eyeliner. If you are the person who hate making wink, this is a perfect video for you. So let's get started with the video. I am super excited. I hope you guys are enjoying this video like I am love creating it, and let's get started. If you don't have a similar product, you can use an alternate, doesn't matter. I'll put a link down, you can go through it and you can order when the Nykaa have a sale or Huda Beauty have a sale. Never spend too much money on the product when you can get in a little bit like lesser cost. Like if to start with, we are going to do the base first. So before I do the base, I am going to use this new favorite lip gloss oil. It's from Nykaa. It's a pH lip thing, just to make my lip a little pink before applying a lipstick, and it hydrates my lips. So I just love this. It's in a green color, beautiful shade, and it's going to take some time to give a color out, but it's lovely. Leave this for a few minutes, or like you can do rest of the makeup and come back and then you can see the change in your lip color. I love it. It's so nice. First we are going to use primer. I'm using this Gucci serum silk primer. Moini got me this expensive primer, so I just want to have a great base for this makeup look, because it's all about the face, not eyes, because the eyes are completely minimum today. I am talking too much. I hope you guys are okay with the person talking. Sometimes I feel like people are so done with the other person is talking too much, but I love watching the video when the girls are talking and telling every bit things while doing the makeup thing, which is so nice to see. I need to get a hairband or a hair clip or something so that I keep my hair out of my face. I'm going to show you my complete outfit. This is one of a traditional outfit which I am planning to keep. Love this. I'll do the eyebrows quickly until this primer soak into my skin. For eyebrows, I am taking this Fashion Brow cream pencil, which is really good. I don't want too much on my eyes sometimes, so this is perfect. You can make a line first here. If it's not that perfect, it's fine. We have a concealer to fix later. And then you're going to fill this part. And that's it. For the edge, you have to just take it or drag it downward. So let's do the foundation. I am going to take 1 pump of or 2 pump of this Huda Beauty. It's amazing. I just love this formula. My shade is Latte. Just place it and then go with it. It's so good. I am going to use this concealer. It's from L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage. The shade I am on, it's 314 Beige. Super excited to use this. I love the shade. It's so nice on my skin. It pops where it is supposed to. And I have a little mark here, some dots here and some dot here. That's it. Definitely going to start from the end and then going inside and taking the product and going out again. It's a perfect way of blending whatever the leftover product. You just take it towards the eye. We are going to set the product with this inside Ghost powder. This powder is with me from really long time, and I have used on multiple things, like multiple times. I'll just take a little bit over the cap. It's easier for me to like take on my beauty blender or the brush. Should I take a brush for this? I'll take a round brush just to go all over my skin to set every product possible. Now we are going to give a shape with the contour. Going to use the beauty blender to blend this. It's blending so nicely. I love this product. This one is from Kai Beauty Cocoa Focus. I love this. Now we are going to use a bronzer. This one is L'Oreal Back to Bronzer. We're going to use the same brush which we use for the powder thing, loose powder thing. Just going to go around, give here, give here. It's going to look crazy, but in some time everything will be together. This is the Revolution Blush Cod. I really like this 2 shade, but we are going for a little bit. So we're going to mix this one and this one. So we'll use this lighter one first, or we can mix together. It's a beautiful color. You don't need too much for the makeup we are doing today. For the eyes, I have this Mocha mix from NK Makeup. So this is like very reasonable eyeshadow palette. We're going to take a little angle brush, going to take this shade. There's no shade name, so it's a bit like this. Going to pack all over the eyelid. That small brush is not working like that. Going to take it, apply just in the eye socket. Now we are going to take this shade, which is a dark brown, and just on the outer socket thing, like over outer area, and drag towards inside, and then that's it. Do it for like 2-3 times to get the proper color result. It's so easy, but anyone will see and they would be like, how much time it took? It just took 2 minutes. Nobody knows. I'm going to take this tiny brush, take this shade which is in between both the shade, and go under my eye. Hope it's visible. Now we are going to take this lighter brown shade and go under the eyelid. I'm taking this tiny brush, going to take this brown, which is so good, looks so rich. Apply in my first half, like just in the tear dots. Once everything is done, we are going for the mascara. I'm going to use my favorite mascara, Lancome Smudged Proof Mascara. It has a very different twisty way of applying. I just love it. Now we are going to do lipstick. Super excited for that. Before we go for lipstick, I'll do a setting spray. We are going to use this MAC New York Fit Me setting spray. I just love it. So my lips are a little bit pink, if you have seen in like few minutes back. It was like so much of the brown shade. Now we are going for the mass lip liner. This is a Bloodbath. Lip liner is done. For the lipstick, we are going to use L'Oreal I Lead. This is a really beautiful shade. It's so nude pink sort of color, which is perfect for any look. So this is my complete makeup look. If you really liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you are getting excited about this festival makeup looks. I am enjoying making this thing. I just want you to create some of the makeup look and send me a picture. I'll definitely see that and appreciate. I love you guys. I'll see you next time, next episode of festival season.